at my hazard, guys. Yellow. Over here, red. The brake light is blinking. Turn out to be a hazard light. You know what I mean? You know what this mean? Huh? Now you know. Alright? It has problem. So what is the problem? That is the question. Alright, that's the question. I get hazard, but my brake light is hazarding. Alam niyo na yan, guys. Kaya comment down below kung ano ito ang nangyari sa Mitsubishi Adventure. Ang hazard naging brake light hazard. Ha 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 ha.